Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A dilapidated Victoria-era terrace in Melbourne's bayside suburb of Middle Park has been transformed by Wellard Architects into a light-filled family home that respects its heritage while accommodating contemporary living. Prior renovations had left the home clad in asbestos faux block tiles, which, when removed, revealed original blockwork and timber weatherboards, some of which were still intact. For the redesign, Wellard Architects referred to historic photographs to restore the front to its original condition, reinstating the veranda and latticework. Working with the original cladding, the team recreated and strengthened the weatherboards on the street-facing facade, finishing them in a fresh white.